So just when it felt like we'd already seen everything about Google's next phones, another major leak has landed. And this one answers a question that Pixel fans have been debating for months. Yesterday, legendary leaker Evan Blass, better known as @EvLeaks, dropped fresh marketing renders of the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, but he clearly wasn't done because today he followed that up with official-looking renders of the standard Pixel 11. At first glance, the phone looks very familiar. Google hasn't completely reinvented the design, and honestly, it sticks pretty close to the Pixel 10. But there is one noticeable tweak. The entire camera bar is now covered by a single sheet of glass, giving it a cleaner and more premium look. The renders also confirm that Gemini intelligence will be built right into the Pixel 11, so Google's AI features are once again going to be front and center. But here's where things get interesting. For months, we've been hearing about a new lighting feature called Pixel Glow. The expectation was that every Pixel 11 model would get it. But based on these latest renders, that might not be the case. If you look closely, the LED flash on the regular Pixel 11 only appears in a single color. There's no sign of the RGB lighting that earlier leaks hinted at. That could mean the new lighting feature is being saved for the more expensive models, including the Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. The leaked images also reveal something else. The standard Pixel 11 is shown in 4 different colors, and one of the marketing slides confirms support for up to 30 times digital zoom using its telephoto camera. Under the hood, it's still expected to run Google's new Tensor G6 chip, just like the rest of the Pixel 11 lineup. And thankfully, we won't have to wait much longer to see everything officially because Google is expected to unveil the entire Pixel 11 series on August 12th. Now let's talk about that mysterious lighting feature because the story has taken another twist. The feature originally surfaced way back in April when the first Pixel 11 leaks started appearing. Later on, people digging through Google's software found references to it in the code, and Google even teased the feature in official preview videos. What's interesting is that those early code discoveries suggested Pixel Glow was never meant to be the final name. Instead, Google was apparently testing several different branding ideas. Names like Pixel Lights, Gemini Glow, and Aurora were all discovered in the code, making it pretty obvious that Google hadn't settled on what to call it. But now, a new name has entered the picture. According to developer Dylan Roussel, who shared his findings on X, Google may actually launch the feature under the name HiLight instead of Pixel Glow. He says he's found evidence pointing to that branding, although it's important to remember this still hasn't been officially confirmed by Google. If that turns out to be true, HiLight could become one of the more useful quality-of-life features on the Pixel 11 lineup. Think of it as a modern version of the old notification LED that so many smartphones used to have. When your phone is placed face down, HiLight could use its lighting system to alert you about important events without you ever needing to pick it up. For example, it could let you know when one of your favorite contacts is calling or when Gemini has something important to tell you. Right now, it's still unclear whether third-party apps will be able to use the feature as well. But if Google opens it up, it could become far more useful than just another flashy visual effect. With Google only days away from unveiling the Pixel 11 series, we're finally seeing how all these leaks are starting to fit together. But the biggest question now is whether HiLight will really stay exclusive to the Pro models, or if Google has one last surprise waiting for us at launch. We'll find out very soon.